I'm from Toronto, Canada, originally from British Columbia, Vancouver. In business, I take offers that maybe they're already made. In affiliate marketing, I've done that, and that's pretty awesome. You take someone else's product, and they have a sales page, and they try and sell it, and there's thousands of other people that are selling it, so you're in competition. So this completely levels the playing field, puts you on top. My first time using it, case studies that I did, over 400% opt-in rate and conversion rate in sales, which rocked me up to the top in the platform that I was at, one of the top affiliates in the leaderboard week after week after week. It was awesome. And out of example, this one program of 40,000 users and other affiliates out there promoting, I'm in the top 1 percentile. And so when I added this in, my numbers went up and I was crushing sales. So from nothing. So there's a very big secret not too many people know. First time I revealed it here today. It's helped my business. It's helped free me from, say, a 9-to-5 job or something like that. So right now while I'm here, I'm still making money. There's still money going to the bank and getting paid out. And you can enjoy great trips. You can even give yourself a vacation. You can give friends, families. You're doing a business deal. Hey, what if I throw in a nice vacation for you and your wife? Where would you like to go? On me. And that just pushes it over. Too sweet. Love it. I gave them to friends, family, even people that I knew that just got married for their honeymoon. It's so real. No timeshares, no BS. It's the real deal. It's amazing. Like it's like pinch me. It's like pinch me time. Like, is it real? But it really is. It really is. It's very powerful. It's very powerful. That's all I can say. You know, if you think it's too good to be true, well, this isn't. It's done. Watch the videos. It explains everything how it works. You gotta try it.